We are reporting about a car crash that happened earlier today around 6 p.m.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is John, this is Johnny. And we just had a little fender bender. We're driving down the road. Next thing you know, we stopped immediately. We didn't stop. And the car's fucked. I'm still shook, bro.
Honestly, dude, I'm just glad it's on mine and on his.
Yeah, dude, this guy's just like perfectly fine. Not a single scratch. And Johnny's is Jesus. Yeah, but we're fine. We're all good. Dude. Jesus.
So guys, we just got back. We're watching Pornhub with Cosa and Misa. You already know. You already know, bro. I told you that. We're gonna do dropping out of lectures in ICU. Are you ready? You know what? We'll drop out. I think it's fine, to be honest. Where do you find it? Right here. Right here. Oh, shit. Pinche madre. Oh, estaba grabando. Hello, that vlog, you guys already know. Johnny's not tripping though. He's taking it like a champ. Might be interesting. We even drove the car here. I'll pick up the vlog when I'm not having a heart attack.
Yeah, this is what it's for, dude. So right now we're gonna get Cosa's reaction
To a surprise.
Come on, Cosa. More.
Bro,
Grab
I
his
can't
hand,
see
dude. Grab him, dude.
Just
Make me grab your dick.
Just keep walking straight.
Where?
This way.
So we're gonna get Cosa's reaction of the new race car. 1, 2, 3.
Oh fuck, dude, this car's gonna get so it's gonna get so much more horsepower. You got a lot more airflow going through your engine, bro. More air means more pressure, more power, bro.
También Misael, a ver, tápale los ojos, que no vea.
Yeah, so you lowered, you
que trae 4 ojos.
You lowered your. Holy shit.
Yeah, I lowered
It's
it,
weight
bro.
reduction, bro. It's slammed. One thing.
Here?
No, I didn't hit it, only once.
Dude, we ripped off the bumper too for weight reduction.
Hey, yo, at least you didn't bring your headlights.
Dude, that's...
And it bent the hood too, a little bit, just a little bit. It's just
It gives
for
it
airflow.
texture. It gives it texture, yeah.
Gives it character.
Yeah, it's like the Hulk, you know, Hulk smash. Fuck this.
Fuck.
So sad. You go kaboom, slap, what?
We just
He went Scooby-Doo, pop, pop.
Neta. Wow. You got a lot of. Nah, wait. Just go that way. All right, guys. So we just came to the cafe again. Mison's about to bottoms up on the coffee.
Pretty lit. Pretty good.
Bottoms up. Fondo. He's a half sender type of person. We have Cosa's full send.
A little bit's really hot right now, bro. It's fresh. Don't call me out like that right now.
I thought you said hi.
Yeah,
Yoni? No. Johnny's a half center type of guy too.
John?
No, yo.
That's what I'm saying, mine's
Go get it.
You want maple?
We got reported about a car crash that happened earlier today around 6 p.m. He was heading towards ISU in the Idaho Falls Out Branch campus. Here we have the gentleman who was in the crash. Sir, what is your name?
Johnny.
Johnny. How do you feel about the crash, buddy?
You know, it's alright.
It's alright? Oh, he wants more coffee. He's traumatized. Could we look at the coffee?
Well, I think we need that back.
Well, that's what he has to say about what you have to say.
Yeah. So he's feeling a little bit of sadness. Could you tell us a little bit how the car crash happened?
Well, we were gonna hit a stoplight, and in the stoplight there was just a lot of people lined up, I guess, and somebody slammed on their brakes, making it a domino effect kind of thing, and everybody just slammed on the brakes, slam, and I guess I was too close, and I couldn't react in time and just hit him.
We also have witnesses here that actually witnessed the car crash. What is your side of the story, sir?
I wasn't there.
Sir, we saw you there.
Well, I was in the back seat. I was on my phone, and all of a sudden, I see this. I see Johnny hit a car. I was like, "Whoa, what happened?" And from there on, I was a little scared.
Are you a little bit traumatized because of this car?
I am now.
Don't you see him stuttering? We've left him stuttered. Please help him.
Oh, so what he's trying to say is that this person in the back seat lost brain cells because of this car crash. Who else was in the car with you, sir?
You know, I don't even remember. Like, it's just all blank. You know, I just get little flashbacks of it, and I just remember having my closest friends there, you know.
All right, here we go. Yep, this is the story, and this is why in the state of Idaho we cannot be successful, because we got dumb people like this driving on our roads, putting our kids at risk. We're gonna cut this off and send it back to you.
We're supposed to get my face. Then okay. You're funny, cosa.
Alright.
Very funny.
I'm sorry, bro. 22.3% of that was false. Most of it was real, though. Drop the mic, baby. Yo, guys, we're gonna present you to a new member. This is Missile. Boom.
Alright guys, that wraps up the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The car, we went to eat. We got a new member, Missile. ¿Dónde vas?
Yeah.
Again.
Y'all, we conclude this shit, you know what I'm saying? We up here repping 208. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. We got my boy John. Oh, shit.
He's salty because he lost twice.
Johnny. Pretty gangsters, bro.
But that was the vlog. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time. Peace.
Real nigga, what up? If you ain't about that murder game, then pussy nigga, shut up. If you dip me in your ass, I get your pussy ass stuck up. When you touch down in my hood, no, that tour life ain't good. Catch me down in MIA, and that heat game on wood. With that Puma life in my